Okay, now we're showing our new app that's called Trash It. It is an educational game for students on how to properly segregate different materials and classify each one as biodegradable or non-biodegradable. This app is specifically made for students and teach them how to segregate garbage. So let's start our app, and then we enter a player name. Roll John. And then we submit, and then we're ready to play. In our game, there are several things that we can see around the blackboards. We have the player name, and we have the scores, which will determine if we pass or fail. So, name of this game is we pick one object and then grab it, and then grab it, and we select between the garbages below and drop this image. So I choose to drop it into a non-biodegradable. And then I was incorrect. So what our system does is it identifies if the image or material that you dropped into is a non-biodegradable or biodegradable material. For example, this one is candy. Put it in the non-biodegradable. It's correct because a candy wrapper is non-biodegradable, and so on and so forth. And as you see, as we put along, as we drop along these materials into the garbages, each of these materials corresponds to a points system. A correct point has a higher score, and the incorrect score doesn't have any score at all. So every correct item that you drop in the correct garbage gives you a score. So as we continue, we drop items that we want that is correct. If the item is correct, it adds to your score. If not, your score is staying the same. You see, we are dropping it whenever you want, teaching those students or as kids, as I am a professor or a teacher, on how to segregate things or how can I manage garbage in my school, campus, or anywhere that I see and I segregate them properly. So after it, there you go. We will proceed or not, but this system hasn't completed yet. We plan that we will extend this into by stages, that we will add more items and more and change the scenery besides classroom, beaches or city. So we will improve this in the long run. So that's all, guys. Thank you.